Welcome to the PortalConnect online training tutorial of how to export and print your immunization record and health information summary. The information you will see in this video is purely fictitious and used for training purposes only. Please note that the health information summary is not an official medical record. To receive an official medical record, please contact your doctor's office directly. Once logged into your PortalConnect account, you can find your immunization record by selecting Health Record, and in the submenu, select Immunization. In this section, you can review the information and print it as well. To print off the immunization, please click on the blue Export on the top right. In this page, you will be able to print the information by clicking on the little printer icon on the top right-hand side. To find your health information summary, please select Health Record, and then in the submenu, click on Health Information Summary. Within this section, you can view your overall health information summary, and you have the option to download the PDF version by selecting Download. That concludes our training tutorial on how to export and print your immunization record and health information summary in PortalConnect.